WAG meaning. Pronunciation. Wag. Meaning. Wag is a slang term used to describe the wife or girlfriend of a high-profile sports player, typically in the context of their public image. It can also refer to the action of moving something back and forth, like a dog's tail. Simple meaning. Wag equals 1, the wife or girlfriend of a sports player, 2, to move something back and forth like a tail. Common uses. 1. WAG noun, the wife or girlfriend of a famous athlete, especially in the media. Example, the Wags were spotted at the game cheering for their partners. 2. Wag verb, to move back and forth, often used when describing an animal like a dog wagging its tail. Example, the dog wagged its tail excitedly when its owner came home. 3. Wag verb, figurative, to move something with a quick back and forth motion. Example, she wagged her finger at him for being late. Examples, daily use sentences. 1. The Wags looked stylish at the match, supporting their team. 2. The dog wagged its tail happily when it saw the owner. 3. The politician wagged his finger at the reporters during the interview. 4. The Wags are often in the spotlight due to their celebrity status. 5. The dog wagged its tail so hard it almost knocked over the chair. Real-life explanation. WAG is used in popular culture to describe the wives and girlfriends of famous sports players, especially when they appear in the media. Wag as a verb is often used to describe the motion of something moving quickly back and forth, like a dog's tail or even a finger.